guys, when we feel like we've told you how to repair your lips and keep as in looking natural, guys, carry your natural look, your natural lips, your natural eyebrows, but sometimes you need to beautify it, maybe in one occasion or the other. So I have this one for you. Instead of you trying to apply lip gloss always or lipsticks always, so this one trending. So what is that? And I also have this one for you when you don't want to go about trying to fix your false eyelashes, and you want something that will be pronounced a bit too, that can bring out your look. So these the two I'm recommending. You want just fast makeup. Another one I have for you was just before we hand in piaga pia in my piaga. But you guys will not listen to from she really good. And I have this for you. So these are the 3 steps if you want a quicker makeup, and not that you are not just settling down to do the makeup, you just to make it fast. You just want to make it snappy, guys. I have this tool for you. So you can apply white powder, and you don't want much pronounced stuffs or bigger stuff on your face. So this one is our eye pencil, guys. I look for brown eye pencil and refuses not to see. I don't know where the brown eye pencil is hiding in the supermarket. This is the only one I bought, but this is not my color. I don't think I'm gonna use it here, so that it will not look awkward or it makes me look ugly here. So the one I'm specifying about is this one is what? This one is it eyeshadow? So this one is the way I'm getting things here, as if you are not prepared for this. Okay, this one is liquid chrome eyeshadow. This eyeshadow, when you don't want to beautify yourself too much, you just want it ASAP fast, guys, use this one. So you just want your look to be a bit pronounced, just want to be noticed, guys. This liquid eyeshadow, we have print type, as in the foundation type, as in the powder type. So but this one look more shoutier than hey Chineke. Guys, after this, we tell me, did you prefer this liquid one or did you prefer the other or large one? Let's know in the comment section. So let us know the one you prefer most. For me, I cherish this most. Because why? Because the way it comes, okay, I don't need to be trying to hold it tight in order for it not to fall down. The other one, once you fall down, you can it will scatter. So I think I choose this one. Yeah, guys, you see that fast I'm done applying the. So if you want to get it, guys, here is written liquid chrome eyeshadow. Guys, go get it. You can get it in any supermarket of your choice or AliExpress, Amazon. You can get it in all those places. So this one is for our lips. You feel like I'm making it, I'm a busy mom, I don't have time, and I don't want to look ugly. I don't want people to say this woman will always come with natural look all the time. So guys, this one, let's show you the name. Lip Sharp Lip Kiss. Lip Sharp Lip Kiss. This come in 3 sachets. Step 3 comes step 1, step 2, and step 3. Guys, now this one comes to here. Is there any other place the other one is? My cheating will not cheat me for you. Which one is step 1, step 2, step 3? But it's only 2 I'm seeing here. Okay, but let's just try to use the 2. You see, makeup doesn't fit me. When I just carry my natural look, I look more beautiful than when I use makeup. But sometimes we do makeup anyway. So this one we're gonna start. This one is liquid, so we're not gonna. So they show you the steps to follow on this when you grab such. The good thing about this thing is that the way it comes, it marvels me. It has already shown here how to apply it. So we're gonna start using the liquid. This one comes in brownish color, guys, which is good because it's a matured color. Brown is a matured color. So I use your hand to do it. You want your lips to change a bit. You want your lips to change a bit. Guys, have you noticed that this lips is no longer natural one? Yeah, no longer natural one. So some days supposed to be like that. It's not once you look natural every day. Sometimes you can you notice that our lip have changed. So kindly go grab the 2 and thank us later. If you see any transformation here, my camera is not showing brightness here. Okay, so what did you see? Guys, I rather prefer when I go with my natural look. All these things is just to apply. God that makes us beautiful. So take a look at that. So if you want quick makeup, kindly go with this, guys, and you can still use this one. This one is bronzer stick for your powder foundation. There's the other one. So bronzer stick for your powder. So I'm just showing you the things that are gonna make your makeup go so very fast. So this one is bronzer stick. This one is lighter stick. So you use this one, I use this one to lightening it. So go for the 2 and tell me later. Go for it. Are you looking like Ojuju Calabar? I don't know. So yes, for those people asking of the kind of eyeshadow I apply, this is it. This come liquid and I like the color, the green color. So you can buy any color of your choice. Guys, let me know what you think and the kind of eyeshadow you use, the kind of powder you use for your makeup, and the kind of lip gloss you use in the comment section. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.